Good morning. It's a beautiful morning here at Mower Mountain and a time of year that I love, and I love it for so many different reasons. The fall colors, the cool, clean, crisp air, and the environment that we live in. And you know what it makes me think about? Tom Sr., my father, who was my mentor in life and made me appreciate so many things. Two things in life really drove him: the environment, conservation, wildlife, and Sisel Safe, and being on stage throughout the world and helping people live a healthier lifestyle, build a dynamic business, because part of it is you are steward for a period of time and you pass that on. My father passed it to me, I'll pass it to my sons. You're passing that right now to your family and friends. You're teaching them about what it's like to have products that don't contain so many of the harmful ingredients. We were the innovators, and I'll tell you what, there's so much more ahead. We can't live in the past, but we can learn from it, and we can cherish those moments. But we look forward to the future, to bigger and better.
Now is the time to protect your family and our planet. Live a better, healthier lifestyle with Sisel. Did you know that significant health hazards can be found in your home, in the products that you use every day? Over 4 decades ago, my father, Tom Mower Sr., came to a shocking realization. He found that many of the same harsh chemicals used to manufacture industrial-strength cleaners and detergents were also used to produce common household personal care items. These chemicals were reported to pose health risks when they came in contact with skin. Tom wondered, why would products meant for the human body contain so many dangerous chemicals? We were determined to spread the word and find alternatives to these potentially harmful ingredients. So began our quest to reshape the health and wellness community with safety and science at the forefront. And thus, the Mower Mission was born.
My father, Tom Mower Sr., established Sisel as a visionary enterprise of product development, manufacturing, and distribution that ensures the Mower Mission spreads and flourishes around the world. Sisel stands for science, innovation, success, energy, and longevity. As we live these principles every day and are committed to our founding values, Sisel holds true to the mission of creating health, wealth, and happiness for business builders and customers around the world. Sisel is led by industry leaders with over a century of combined experience in product development and manufacturing. Our executive team has created powerful business and recruiting programs and crucial success training. They lead our international business growth and expansion and our effective marketing strategies.
My experience with Sisel began at a young age as I literally grew up in the business. I remember in grade school being asked, "What does your dad do for work?" I would always answer that he would find products that had harmful ingredients in them and replace them by creating products with safe ingredients. Throughout high school and college, I worked in different areas of the company, starting with facilities, mowing lawns, cleaning the buildings, and so much more. Earning a biology degree from Utah State University helped me to learn all the aspects of product development. Ultimately, I decided that the manufacturing, operations, and logistics side of the business was where I wanted to place my focus. Learning from my dad and grandpa was also an education in Sisel for me, as they taught me the founding principles that make Sisel unique and unsurpassed in the industry. Our Sisel Safe mantra ensures that we use only safe and effective ingredients in our product formulation and manufacturing processes. In fact, Sisel maintains stringent safety standards that demand the highest levels of ingredient integrity. Sisel always gives you products made from safe, effective, non-toxic ingredients to keep your family healthy and happy. Sisel follows the same criteria for every formula. Remove the bad and replace it with the great. This means you can use every Sisel product with peace of mind. This level of control is all possible because Sisel controls the manufacturing, packaging, and shipping of its products. All raw ingredients are stored and mixed under the most rigorous of manufacturing standards. We have established appropriate controls in the manufacturing process to test from the initial raw ingredients to the finished products. That means we can control the formulations and the quality from start to finish. The manufacturing facility is CGMP certified, which means it follows current good manufacturing practice regulations enforced by the Food and Drug Administration. This can give you confidence to trust the science and safety behind each of our products. Even the water that is used is purified on the premises, passing through an advanced treatment plant before being utilized in any Sisel products. This is a truly modern purification system. Water is brought in and run through our carbon filtration system, which removes all chlorine. The water passes through our reverse osmosis system and runs through a UV light to destroy any microorganisms that may be present. Next, the water passes through a final filter for purity. This water then circulates through stainless steel piping until it is used in separate batching rooms for product manufacturing. Our water filtration system is so effective that even outside municipal water departments have come to study it for their own use. Our packaging also meets our rigorous standards. Sisel's products are packaged in BPA and phthalate-free containers. Sisel does all this so that when you see a product with the Sisel Safe seal, you'll know it's safe and carefully created. Sisel Safe isn't just a slogan, it's a promise.
As the Global Sales Director, I have the opportunity to work closely and develop relationships with Sisel distributors worldwide. There are several core business principles that stand out to me that help our Sisel family members around the globe. First, Sisel is a privately owned company with a dynasty trust securely in place. This will keep the company operating within the family for the next 999 years. Rest assured that Sisel will be around for years to come. Second, Sisel is a 100% debt-free company. Few companies of this magnitude can make that claim. This ensures that partnering with Sisel aligns you with a company focused on financial stability, security, responsibility, and prosperity. Third, owning your own lab means that every ingredient is tested by our full-time scientist according to our Sisel Safe standards. This ensures potency and safety of each ingredient that goes into our products to guarantee the efficacy and quality of our products so that you and your family are receiving the best results from the best products on the market. Fourth, Sisel's compensation plan offers 8 amazing profit centers that set it apart from others in the industry. These unique features create an opportunity that rewards hard work and promotes fairness and equality, making our compensation plan one of the most generous plans in the industry. How are we able to pay such a high percentage? We control our processes through every step from formulation to manufacturing to putting products into the homes and hands of our customers. Cutting out multiple middlemen allows us to A, put our financial resources into product development, and B, offer one of the highest commission payouts in the industry. Fifth and lastly, our global marketing plan ensures that you and your team are able to build a business throughout the world.
My journey with the Mower Mission began some 25 years ago. What started as a part-time job to put myself through school ultimately became a life-changing event, a career, and a passion. Japan has now been my home for the past 2 decades, and I have a deep respect and love for the people and culture here. The Japan market has played an integral role and continues to be a significant contributing factor to the success and growth of Sisel and the Mower Mission. Sisel now spans the globe across multiple continents and countries. Our message and opportunity is shared in many languages and throughout diverse cultures around the world. Yet, we find ourselves united by a shared passion for a mission of living healthier, wealthier, and happier lives. And what I believe to be Sisel's most valuable resource to a sustainable, and successful business is you, our loyal customers, distributors, and business partners. After all, this is a people business. In my role at Sisel, some of my most valuable learning experiences have come from working closely with our customers in understanding their needs and implementing their feedback. And some of the greatest moments of pride and satisfaction have come in seeing our company meet those needs, allowing our customers to reach their goals and experience success. We value your trust, loyalty, and all of your friendships. Sisel's future is bright, and we look forward to sharing it with you.
Sisel has been operating throughout Europe since the company was founded. Our business spans 25 countries and many languages, customs, and traditions. Amid any cultural differences we may have, what unites us and brings us together are the amazing Sisel products and the opportunity. As a vital part of Sisel's business, we look to the future with confidence and optimism that our European markets will continue to grow and that our sales leaders and distributors will thrive as they continue to benefit from Sisel's advanced products and the unmatched compensation plan, and as they successfully continue to invite others to do the same.
Throughout my career, I've been a part of several multi-billion-dollar direct sales companies where I've led and contributed to the success of marketing and new product initiatives. As we implement best practices and world-class marketing strategies within Sisel, I see unlimited possibilities for our business. Our Sisel marketing organization is committed to priorities and objectives that will help propel the company, as well as your business and the next generation of Sisel business leaders into the future. These strategies include our product development and launch plans for innovative nutritional, personal care, and home care products that meet the needs of consumers worldwide. We've incorporated a sustainability mindset throughout our development processes, collaborating with outside suppliers and internal organizations to determine and implement sustainable practices across packaging and ingredient sourcing. True to the direction of our industry, we see our Sisel business relying on the compelling digital and social marketing plans we're putting into place, including the adoption of influencer and affiliate marketing and social commerce strategies to educate and inspire existing and new customers. We understand that the present and future success of our business relies on exceeding the expectations of our distributors and customers, as well as attracting new consumers. Our marketing strategies are on track to elevate Sisel brand awareness and loyalty to the next level.
Like my brother Thomas, I also grew up in Sisel, working from the bottom up, learning from my dad and grandpa through the entire journey. I started in maintenance when I was 16 years old to build a strong work ethic. I then traveled to the manufacturing plant and worked in the warehouse to learn how Sisel's incredible products are made. I later joined the call center to be able to understand the various aspects of the business by being on the phones and learning the distributor's perspective. Then I found my passion in the marketing department. My marketing degree from Utah State University prepared me to take on responsibilities in marketing, project management, and product development. Our marketing priorities include implementing successful events like our yearly Mower Mountain event, where our Sisel family gets to experience the beauties of Utah landscapes. Distributors also participate in business building and networking opportunities, an in-depth tour of our manufacturing facilities, and distributor and corporate-led trainings. Our marketing programs and promotions are always created and executed to encourage and reward the achievements of our sales leaders and distributors. We're committed to delivering exceptional customer experiences across all areas of our business. True to our legacy of service and social responsibility, Sisel is proud to collaborate with the Convoy of Hope, a nonprofit humanitarian organization, to provide Sisel Nutrify, a unique nutritional meal supplement in support of their global children's feeding initiatives. Specifically formulated to provide essential nutrients to undernourished children, Sisel Nutrify fortifies meals to aid in the fight against undernutrition and help give children a healthy start and a strong pathway to adulthood. 100% of your contributions are used to pay for the cost of materials and manufacturing of Sisel Nutrify. With our million meal launch of Sisel Nutrify, together we are creating a better world for the less fortunate children. And to commemorate the birthday of my grandpa, Tom Mower Sr., we've also implemented an annual Sisel Day of Service that takes place every July 15th. This is an opportunity for corporate staff and distributors worldwide to participate in service projects, making an impact for good with the acts of kindness that benefit and strengthen our communities.
As we've shown you what we're all about here at Sisel, you see that what started with my father as one man, one vision, has expanded to include multiple family members throughout the business. And as the company has grown and continues to expand, we've brought in very experienced leaders who are contributing to the momentum, the success, the growth of the company in spreading the message of the Mower Mission throughout the world. I'd like to invite you to join us in this mission to use the most powerful, safe, and effective products. Now is the time to get started on your journey to a healthier, wealthier, and happier lifestyle.
I'm living free, living free, living free, and I was meant to be free, meant to be free.